One of the cool things about Rehab My Patient is you can also upload your own advice sheets. This is super useful if you've got an advice sheet on COVID or infection control or a patient consent form. You can upload your own advice sheet. We provide Rehab My Patient to a few hospital trusts, and they have PDFs on ACL rehabilitation and post-operative hip replacements. So they can put these PDFs on and prescribe them to their patients. So it's a super good way to store your PDFs. Go to My Exercises and add new advice sheet. Let's just add the test advice sheet, and let's call this test advice on, let's call it patient consent. Select the category, let's put it into our advice section, and let's choose our file. I'm just going to select a random PDF here. Press save, and there's my test advice sheet. So now I can easily prescribe that to my patient, and I simply add it as an exercise as I would any other exercise. I just simply add the advice sheet. We've got 470 advice sheets on all the common musculoskeletal conditions.